Hello Windows Universe. In this video we learn how to repair the master boot record or MBR in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. While the system is booting, press F8 to go into the Windows recovery menu. Click on the troubleshooting and click on the command prompt. Type in the following commands: boot rec space / build bcd and hit enter. Then type in rec space / fix MBR and hit enter. Finally, type in boot rec space / fix boot and hit enter. If you get access is denied, don't freak out. Just type in the following: SET space / NT60 space SYS and hit enter. Type in exit and reboot your system. It is always a good idea to create a system recovery disk or back up your MBR in case you face problems like this in the future. To create a system recovery disk, you will need a USB drive. Then press Windows and R, type in recovery drive.exe and hit enter. Follow any of the on-screen prompts to create a backup drive. For the MBR backup, there are freeware apps like MBR Backup and HD Hacker you can use to streamline the process. We will link to them in this article. For more helpful tips to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content to make your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.